Hey guys, I hope all is well. In this video, I'll be showing you how I will be using these very good benefits. Guanabana is also known as Soursop leaves. I will be making Soursop leaf tea, and when I say it is so good and it has so many different benefits, I'll be using it daily for about 30 days, and then I'll see how it go from there. I like to always put a wooden spoon in there because that's going to stop the actual water from boiling over. But let me show you how to do it. Guys, so I let these soursop leaves steep for 10 minutes. It say 10 minutes to 20 minutes, depending on how many you have, but I didn't have a lot. I just want to see what it smells like, what it tastes like. It actually has a sour smell to it. It has a distinctive smell. I can't even put my finger on it, but it most definitely have a sour type smell to it. So what I'm about to do, it has so many different benefits, y'all. So many different benefits. What I'm going to do is I'm going to uh, show you, tell you guys all the different benefits that it has so you can be able to know. I just found out about it. You can also put it with honey. I'm going to be drinking it like you would tea. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and pour this in here. And I do have some honey. I'm going to try it with and without the honey to see what it tastes like. Okay, let's go ahead and do that. And a holistic person told me about this. So guys, let's see what this tastes like. This is how it looks. Let's see what it tastes without adding honey. Oh, it's not bad at all. Like at all. If you a tea lover, and it's not even, it don't even taste like tea. It's a nice, subtle taste. I like it. I'm about to add honey to it and let's see guys how we like it with honey. I actually don't even have any honey. I had some, but I checked it and it was almost gone. So I'm not going to drink any honey with it. I'm going to go ahead and drink it by itself. And then one day I will buy me some honey. But guys, it tastes good. I'm going to try to do it for every day and see how it does. It just has so many great benefits. And I say, what's wrong with trying something that has great benefits? Try it, guys, and let me know how you think. Or if you tried it, let me know. Okay, guys, so I just want to tell you the health benefits. It's supposed to be very good for cancer, inflammation, promotes digestive health, anti-inflammatory, blood sugar regulator, boosting immunity, liver function optimizer, managing diabetes. It also helps with high blood pressure, blood infections, digestive issues, fighting infections, promote healthy skin, regulate blood pressure, aids digestion, antibacterial infections, enhance eye health, help relieve stress and pain. I'm telling you guys, it has so many different benefits. Try it and thank me later. Go ahead and subscribe for more. You can be able to get this from your local farmer's market, or you can also try Amazon or anything like a online seller. Okay? Follow for more.